Hello and welcome to Azariah's Studio. My name is Sarah. I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Studio. I'm going to show you how to do the modified elongated single crochet. It's a mouthful. It is not as difficult as that name sounds. So on this piece, I will be working into this skipped single crochet here. So it's a single crochet, you don't yarn over, you just insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, and it wraps around the entire piece. As you can see here, and it's here on the front. Adjust the tension of everything. Don't pull too snug or you'll end up with this like bow tie effect. Now, for a regular single crochet, for a regular elongated single crochet, also known as a spike stitch, you would just yarn over and draw through both those loops and you would be done, moving on to your next stitch. But I don't like the way it looks on the back. I wanted pieces that were completely reversible using the elongated single crochet, so I modified it a little bit. So instead, you're going to go under this loop on the back side, yarn over, and draw through all three of those, and then you will be ready to move on. You skip the single crochet behind it because it takes its place, and then single crochet or whatever the pattern is having you do until the next modified elongated single crochet. But real quick, let's stop. Here's the front. Here's the back. Very similar in their look. Both are twisted. It's not that open V like the elongated single crochet is. Honestly, it could have been done a little bit looser. It's pulling the piece a little bit. I'll show you again how to do it. So from front to back, yarn over, pull up a loop, adjust as needed. I'm going to leave this one a little bit looser. Under, yarn over, draw through all three. Single crochet in the next stitch. And here's one more. From front to back. From front to back, yarn over, pull up a loop, adjust as needed, underneath, yarn over, draw through all three, and I'll just finish the row. Here's the front, and there's the back. And now this is how you do it left-handed. So from front to back, yarn over, pull up a loop, under, yarn over, draw through all three. Single crochet in the next stitch. And here's one more. From front to back, yarn over, pull up a loop, adjust as needed, underneath, yarn over, draw through all three. And I'll just finish the row. Here's the front. And there's the back. Thank you for watching. Happy making!